Have you seen these videos?
Welcome to my YouTube channel, AI Builders Academy.
And these ones too?
Be careful, and people will respect you.
Believe it or not, I created all of them using Seedance 2.0 completely for free. Now, I know many of you have been wondering how to use Seedance 2.0 without paying, especially because it creates insanely high-quality videos. So today, I prepared this video to show you exactly how I made those videos step by step. But before we continue, make sure you stay until the end, because I've prepared a special secret that will help you create unlimited videos for free. And real quick, take just a few seconds to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Then go down in the comments and type "ready." And also tell me what kind of videos you want me to help you create next. All right, welcome. First, open your browser. I'm personally using Google Chrome. Then type Comfy Cloud and search for it. You'll immediately see this page right here. Click on it, and you'll be taken to a page that looks like this. Now, don't get confused when you first enter the website. You'll see a button that says Try Comfy Cloud for free. Click on it and create an account if it's your first time using the platform. You can log in with Google or GitHub. I'm using Google because it's faster and easier. In just a few seconds, your account will be ready. Once you're inside, you'll notice different sections like Menu, Assets, Node Library, Model Library, Workflows, Apps, Templates, Help Center, Keyboard Shortcuts, and Settings. But let's not waste time. Go straight to Templates. As soon as you click there, you'll see many powerful templates. For example, this one is Seedance 2.0 reference to video, which is mainly for image-to-video generation. But today, we're going to use Seedance 2.0 text-to-video. Click on it. Now this is where you'll write your prompt. But first, notice something important. We're using a free account, and as you can see, they already gave us 401 free credits. Don't worry, later in this video, I'll show you the secret trick to creating unlimited videos for free. Now let's create our first video. Go to ChatGPT, because it makes writing prompts much easier. I typed, I want to create a Seedance 2.0 video of an old man with a child, where he tells him, be careful, and people will respect you. Then I asked ChatGPT to generate a cinematic prompt for me. Boom, it instantly created multiple prompts. All you need to do is choose the one you like, copy it, and paste it into Comfy Cloud. Next, choose your resolution. I recommend using 720p because it looks very clean, and most people enjoy watching videos in that quality. For the aspect ratio, let's use 16:9 because it's perfect for YouTube videos. Then move to duration. Here, choose how many seconds you want your video to be. The secret is to use shorter durations so you can create more scenes and save credits. For example, I used 6 seconds. As you can see, it costs 201 credits. But if we switch from 720p to 480p, it only costs 101 credits. And remember, we currently have 401 credits. Now let me change it to 7 seconds and click Run. Our project has started generating. Done! Look at this.
Be careful, and people will respect you.
The video quality looks amazing. Now, let's create another one. I went back to ChatGPT and typed, I want to create a Seedance 2.0 video of a person standing in the middle of a large crowd holding a gun. People are afraid to approach him. Then he says, let someone come near me and I'll shoot, while they surround him from all sides. Then I clicked Generate. Again, ChatGPT created multiple powerful prompts for me. I copied one of them and pasted it into the website. This time, let's choose the vertical ratio for short-form content like TikTok, Facebook Reels, Instagram Reels, and YouTube Shorts. Then click Run. The website immediately starts generating the video. Done! Our video is ready.
Respect comes with boundaries.
And just like I promised earlier, here's the secret to creating unlimited videos for free. Use multiple email accounts. Think about it. If every email account allows you to create around 3 videos, then imagine using 10, 20, or even 30 email accounts. That's a huge number of videos completely free. And honestly, that's crazy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment "Ready." See you in the next video.